There is a dragon that lives in the air. It lurks where aerodynamics and structural dynamics collide, and it is called flutter. Flutter is a result of aerodynamics forces and structural dynamics coupling and going unstable. Flutter can be catastrophic to bridges and aircraft alike. In 2005, Lockheed Martin initiated an independent research project to validate its flutter modeling techniques and to investigate the possibility of active flutter suppression. To minimize cost, 5 very lightweight expendable RPVs were designed and built. These vehicles were called Body Freedom Flutter Vehicles, or BFFs. The success of the active flutter suppression system demonstrated on the BFFs led to an AFRL contract to build and test 2 more. The MAD program was initiated by AFRL to mature active flutter suppression, to allow longer, more flexible wings and lighter weight structures that'll allow future aircraft to fly higher, faster, and further than before. The X-56A has been designed to perform other types of research as well. The X-56A incorporates an open architecture vehicle management system computer, an expandable data acquisition system, air data flight test boom, 2 80-pound class JetCat small turbine engines with electrical power generation, excess power and volume for future testing, and a ballistic recovery system parachute to protect the valuable system during risky flight tests. The MAD program is delivering the X-56A MUT vehicle as a complete research system, which includes the ground control station, simulation, system integration lab capability, and a vehicle transportation and storage trailer.
Clear to test point 7.5.
Roger, 7.5, increasing speed to 95 knots.
Knock it off, knock it off. Okay, that verifies our flutter speed is 95 knots.
Flutter speed is 95 knots. Clear to test point 7.6. Flutter suppression on.
Flutter suppression on, cleared 7.6, accelerating to 150 knots.
95 knots, 100 knots, 105 knots, 110 knots, 115 knots, 120 knots.
We are flutter free. I showed 3 modes suppressed.